Everybody would like to have a sharp mind. How many of us are scared of having mental amnesia, or call it even dementia. You feel scared. When you lose your conscious, not really a conscious, you cannot remember things, you cannot recall things, you feel affected. We are just scared of such a scenario. Today, I would like to discuss on mind sharpening strategies. What are some of the mind sharpening strategies which can make your brain to be alert? One, stay curious and keep learning new things. Keep on learning the new things. Learn to read. Read new books. Hobbies. Learn from other people. It will help you. Secondly, stay socially active. Active listening from friends, from colleagues, from neighbors. When you listen also actively, you are going to learn a lot of things. Then there is also exercise. At least walking 30 minutes, the aspect of yoga is going to improve your health, improve your mood. It's also going to reduce stress, and you'll be mentally alert. Address your stress. Fleeting memories will be affected because of stress. So address what is affecting you, and you are going to sharpen your mind. Feed your brain with leafy green things, berries, nuts, and also omega-3 is going to make your brain sharp. Take also a lot of water. It can also make your brain sharp. And finally, get enough sleep by sticking to a regular schedule, and you sleep. Have enough sleep, and it's going to sharpen your mind. Thank you very much. Have a great morning.